I dream that all Peruvians have the same rights, that everybody has the right to eat well, to receive a good education, to receive a good healthcare.
It's really sad to see a lot of people don't have the same opportunities in all the country. I mean, if we have the same rights, why a lot of people should travel to the center of the country, just trying to get a better education?
I have a dream that Peru will have opportunities for intellectual and professional development.
We can't talk about development without talking about talent and human input.
I dream with a nation where the young talent is recognized and encouraged.
Giving them the tools not only to develop their intellectual abilities but also their inner being. An education free of all conditionings about religion, about politics, about racism.
I dream that one day we'll stop chulearnos among the Peruvians and we feel proud to be churches.
We should remember, as when we were children, we used to play with others without any distinction. What if we don't look alike? If it doesn't stop us to laugh and share a great time?
I dream that a Peruvian child will be proud of his nation.
That whenever people are protesting for their rights, do not use violence or take advantage of others.
I have a dream they will live in a peaceful country. Parents won't be afraid for their children's well-being.
Peru is going to turn into a great country. But first of all, we have to overcome our fears.
I have a dream about my country. That one day can see us all Peruvians without hate. We can see each other as brothers.
Because the union makes the force, and that force is what we need to change this place, my place, our place.
I have a dream that my lovely country will be one day a sea of respect, a forest of justice, and a mountain of quality. Because we are all deep in our hearts, white and red.
If I were born again, I wish it was in Peru.